Hello, children. Good morning. I would like to welcome you all in our social science online class. How are you, children? I hope you all are fine by God's grace. Stay home, stay safe. Today we are going to learn Civics, Unit 1, National Symbols. The topic of the lesson is National Symbols. Children, have you ever visited a forest? Do you like to visit a forest? Yes. Here they have explained a story about a forest trip. With the help of the story, we can know about the natural national symbols of India. Velan and Ponni went on a forest trip to Pullivanam. The two children went on a forest trip to Pullivanam. Velan is a boy and Ponni is a girl. They both went on a forest trip to Pullivanam. The thought that they were going to visit the forest made them ecstatic and they were filled with excitement and adventurous spirit. While they have the thought of going to visit the forest, they both were extremely happy and they were very excitement and have adventurous spirit. So ecstatic means extremely happy. Excitement means feeling of great enthusiasm and eagerness. Adventurous means something that is adventurous involves new things or ideas. So while going to forest, they will have new things or ideas. Veena, a wildlife researcher, was with them. So who was with them? Veena. What was Veena's profession? Veena was a wildlife researcher. That forest had a legendary river running across. The forest also had 2000-meter high mountain. So there was a famous river running across the forest. Also there was a mountain with 2000-meter high. Right, children? Do you understand? Okay. As per the plan, they had reached the forest area by a vehicle. So, children, if you go for any trip, you will use a vehicle? No. Likewise, these children also used a vehicle to go to the forest. We are waiting for you, said the forest officer Manimaran, smilingly to the enthusiastic young researchers. So, who was the forest officer? Manimaran was the forest officer. He was smilingly to the enthusiastic young researchers and said, "We are waiting for you." Veena introduced Velan and Ponni to the officer. Now Veena introduced both the children, Velan and Ponni, to the forest officer. The personal vehicles had to be stopped there as they were restricted to go further. So they were allowed to stop the personal vehicle there and the vehicles were not allowed to enter inside the forest. After that, they had to travel only by vehicles run on batteries that are pollution free. Next, if they need to go inside the forest, they had to travel by vehicles run on batteries because they are pollution free. These vehicles, also called as jeep, were covered with glass. So the vehicles are covered with glass and we call them as jeep. A jeep was waiting for them. The forest officer, Manimaran, Veena and the team boarded the vehicle. Manimaran, Veena, Velan and Ponni entered into the vehicle. I think you are eagerly waiting to watch the tiger, but it is possible only when you are lucky enough. Children, I think You are eagerly waiting to watch the tiger. If you are lucky, you can see the tiger. Though it is the tiger's habitat, there are many birds, insects, reptiles, aquatic life, and amphibians which make the ecosystem. So Manimaran said, though it is a tiger's habitat, meanwhile you can see many birds, insects, reptiles, aquatic life, and amphibians which balance the ecosystem. What do you mean by amphibians? Amphibians means which live both on land and water. The animals which live both land and on water. So please don't wait only for the tigers but enjoy watching other animals too. And remember, you shouldn't speak loudly, said Manimaran. So children, you no need to wait for tiger. You can enjoy watching other animals too. So Manimaran said, you should not speak loudly. In a few minutes, they had a chance to see a beautiful pond with lotus. So within a few minutes, they had a chance to see a beautiful pond with lotus. The vehicle was moving slowly. The lotuses were smiling back at them. The vehicles was moving slowly. So children, if you see the pond, what can you see in the pond? Yes, good. You can see lotus flower. The lotus looked smiling towards them. Lotuses are of different types. There were different types of lotus. Those which are pink are called pink lotus. The pink color lotus was said to be pink lotuses. The lotus has a very special structure, said Veena. So Veena said each lotus has a special structure. Just behind a big tree near the pond, a peacock was fanning out its feathers gracefully. Near the pond, there was a big tree. Near to it, a peacock was fanning out its feathers gracefully. Without making noise, Velan and Ponni were admiring it. Both the children were admiring the peacock. Both Velan and Ponni were admiring the peacock without making any noise. Uncle Manimaran, usually peacocks do this during rainy days. Will it rain now? Said Ponni. So Ponni asked to Manimaran, Uncle, peacock fans its feathers during rainy days. So will it rain now? Maybe it dances only during rainy days. Once a chieftain, Begun, wondered whether the peacock was shivering in cold and covered the peacock with his shawl. Once a chieftain, Begun, saw the peacock shivering in cold. So he covered the peacock with his shawl. So once a king called Begun, he saw the peacock shivering in cold. So he covered the peacock with his shawl. This chieftain belonged to the classical Sangam age of Tamils and also revered as one of the 7 most generous personalities of ancient Tamil land. So the chieftain belonged to the Sangam age of Tamils and he was one of the 7 most generous personalities of ancient Tamil land. Now in this picture you can see the chieftain covering the peacock with his shawl. Do you know there is a peacock sanctuary at Varalimalai in the district of Pudukkottai, Tamil Nadu? Children, do you know there is a peacock sanctuary at Varalimalai in Pudukkottai district? You know very well that the peacock is our national bird. So children, which is our national bird? You all know peacock is our national bird. For a long time, the peacock has a significant place in our culture, art, and heritage. Its beauty, stately appearance, and its even distribution all over India makes it our national bird, said Manimaran. Children, have you ever thought why peacock is made our national bird? Peacock has a significant place in our culture, art, and heritage. Its beauty, stately appearance make it a national bird, said Manimaran. So, because of its beauty, stately appearance, its even distribution all over India makes it a national bird. The vehicle moved forward silently. They admired the beauty on either side even without blinking. The vehicle moved silently and they admired the beauty on either side. We have come very close to the bank of the river. We are close to the bank of the river. Now we have to go along the river. I am going to show you a different animal. You have to remain silent. Only then you can see it. Please take your binoculars, said Manimaran. Now I will show you a different animal. You have to remain silent. Please take your binoculars and you can see it. So Manimaran said to the children, remain silent and take your binoculars, then you can see different animal. Veena had instructed the team to bring their binoculars on the visit. Velan and Ponni had borrowed the binoculars from their neighbors. They focused their binoculars towards the gap between the bushes. Velan and Ponni borrowed the binoculars and they focused their binoculars towards the gap between the bushes. So the children, Velan and Ponni, viewed the river with the help of the binoculars. That gave them a view of the river. Veera said, look, there is something black like a gharial crocodile moving. They could not see the animal clearly due to the glare caused by the morning sun. Manimaran said, turn away from the sun rays and watch carefully. It is not a gharial. Veena said, look there. There is something black like gharial crocodile moving. So due to the glare of morning sun, they cannot see the animal clearly. So the place where they were standing was glare due to the rise of the morning sun. So they couldn't see the animal clearly. Manimaran said, turn away from the sun rays and watch carefully. It is not a gharial. Veena said, no, it does not look like a fish. It looks like an aquatic mammal, a river dolphin. So Veena said, it looked like an aquatic mammal, not a fish, but a river dolphin. Okay, children, with this, I like to conclude this lesson. Thank you. We can meet on the next class. Thank you, children.